All right, hello again. I guess this is my fourth video. This is going to go in my third lesson under coronavirus e-learning. Let me get back to that. Here we go. So, by the way, I've rearranged. I created a 0 because that came from this other class over here. This particular lesson, I decided to stick inside this class. So I called that 0 just so it came before 1. I could have renamed those. But and when I first made it, it was down here. You can drag these things in the order you want them. So that's kind of helpful. You can only do that under the classwork tab. And I'll show you a couple other things to help you organize it under this particular topic, which is over here. But let's just create one more lesson, lesson 2. And we'll title it in a little bit here. But I want to show you how you can add some materials right from here. You don't have to go into Google Drive or anything else. You as a teacher, and your students can do this too in a little bit different way. You as a teacher can use other, what am I trying to say, other Google Suite tools. And I'll tell you what, let me just show you what I'm talking about. Save draft. Up here, I mentioned those tools that I'm trying to talk about here. These tools right here, there's some other tools you can use besides Google Classroom and Google Drive. So let me show you what I'm talking about there. And here's lesson 2. Edit. So here's some of the tools that you can use. Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets, Google Drawings, and Google Forms. So I'm just going to put that up here. And I'm trying to rush here because I know I only have 5 minutes. Say all of this. Did I forget something? Docs, slides, sheets, drawings, forms. They're all there. All right. So that's what I want to show you how to do. And I may run out of time to show you all of them, but let's just do a Google Doc. So it opens up the Google Doc in a new tab. And let's just give it a name. For right now, I'm just going to call this sample. My computer's running real slow for some reason. If you click on Untitled Document after typing this first line, watch what happens. It'll put that up here as your title. Now, you can make this anything you want. You can make it some instructions for your students. And then maybe you want to make a bullet list, 3 things you want them to do. Oops. 1, 2, 3. I accidentally undid the bullets, so I'm going to highlight and make that like that. So you put your instructions there, and then you have your students follow those instructions. So this may be just one simple way to do that, or they could actually add to this document. Now, I got to stop here, and I'll be right back. Let's check the next video for the next part of this.